Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this high pressure 10 mode handheld shower head with a removable 15 stage water softener filter. Alright, so right here we have our handheld luxury shower head. This is offered in two different colors. You have Dazzle Black and Star Silver. So this has a 10 spray modes, multi-stage filtration, rub clean nozzle. Looks very beautiful, and inside here you have everything you need to get it started up. You have the user guide, how to set it up. So this is a newly designed handheld shower head which is equipped with a 15 stage filtered cartridge with a super KDF activated carbon vitamin C alkaline balls. The flow rate is 1.8 gallons per minute. It's got a power filtration system which helps remove chlorine, heavy metals, and other harmful substances. This here has a refreshing nozzle. It helps clean the clogs. This removes heavy metals, other harmstance, which also gives you the cleanest shower experience of your family. It has a featured advanced 8-setting power head for self-clean anti-clog nozzles that prevent accumulations of grime inside of it. So right here is where you will connect this to your inlet pipe for your water, which is right here. And then the hose will connect to this to your shower head. So this has 8 powerful sprays of your choice. So here's the shower head itself. It is a beautiful, beautiful silver star coloring. Here is all the powerful heads. You've got the button right here, which is to stop it. There is no tools needed, no plumber needed to put this together. So this is your spot spray. So the 8 spray modes is massage, massage mist, misty, saturating spray, saturating sweeping, saturating massage, sweeping spray, and pulse. So right here at the bottom you have your 15 stage filter. So this one here removes the chlorine and unpleasant odors. It protects your hair, protects your skin, baby's health care. So right here is the little beads in here, that is the 15 stage. So you just pop this back right in here, tighten it up. So this helps reduce chlorine levels, unpleasant odors, healthy hair, disinfectant, removes skin, family protection. So if you are in an area that has really bad water, I would highly recommend this one right here, especially that it has a filter system. I do have several of them on my showers, being that we do have bad water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together on my shower, and I'm going to show you the different spray nozzles and this spot spray. Alright, so right here is the handle. You can see that it is not connected yet, so I've got the hose. Now I've connected it, so I'm going to turn it on. So you have the spot spray. You'd have to turn this button here at the top, but you got to make sure you have it on. So there's a different modes in the spray modes. Like I said, you have spot spray, wide fan spray, saturated sweeping, sweeping massage, massage, massage misty, mist, saturated spray, sweeping spray, and they've got a pause. So this one right here, because it is off on the button, you want to make sure you put the button on. And then once you put the button on, this spray here at the top will come out a lot more. So here's your different modes in this sprayer. You just turn this little thing right here, and it just changes the mode. So this one right here is the pause. That one right there is the misty. And then you can go back to what you like. So that one right there is a saturated sweeping. So now you have the spot spray, which is, you have the spot spray. You can change that to wide fan. I'm going to turn it on so you can see how powerful it is. As you can see that the water is very high powered. This one here is on a low, so it's still trickling down. It's a great thing. It does have the spot spray, so if you need to spray your shower, it does a really good job of it. If you're looking for a nice handheld shower that offers many different pulsating motions, I would highly recommend checking this one out.